Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. If you're new, I make a lot of different videos on travel, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, just really everything over here. Today we are going to be doing a Bath & Body Works fall haul. We've got our pumpkin spiced coffee that we're drinking, and it may be towards the end of the summer, but you know, you can never be too excited about fall and start diving into those fun fall scents. So let's jump right into this week's video. I had a lot of coupons at Bath & Body Works because it was recently my birthday, so I got a free reward for that. I also had a coupon that had just, you know, accrued because of how many, you know, dollars you spend and how many points you get per dollar. So I had like 2 different coupons plus like the normal ones that they send through the mail. So I actually got all this stuff for only like a little over $15, and it's really insane when you see how much stuff I actually got. They were also having a huge sale on hand soaps. Hand soaps were $2.95 each. I thought that was an insane price. Like definitely cheaper than Method hand soap or Dial or just like any of those generic hand soaps you get at Target or Walmart. So I like immediately had to stock up. So the first hand soap I got was Warm Amber in Cedar. I've never had this scent before. I thought it would be you know, really nice or kind of late fall, like early November. So I'm going to save this one for later on in the season. The fragrance notes are Smooth Amber, Evening Jasmine, and Cedar Air. So it seems like a more sophisticated scent from Bath & Body Works. The next hand soap I got was Cozy Vanilla Almond. I've had this one several times. I thought this is just kind of nice because really this is not like specific to fall. You can really use this any time of year. If I wanted to use this, you know, later in the summer like now, or if I wanted to use this in January, it would still work. So this is nice to have in the arsenal. And the fragrance notes for this one are Vanilla Orchid, Sugared Almond, and Sweet Musk. It's like a soft musky vanilla. I would say the fragrance notes are pretty true to how this one smells. I had to get Leaves because this is my favorite candle scent and just favorite overall fall scent from Bath & Body Works. It just smells so good. I don't think I've ever had it in the hand soap, so I was excited to see this. And the fragrance notes are Crisp Apple, Golden Nectar, and Warm Clove Spice. It smells exactly like that, like a nice spiced apple with just, you know, this like perfect little hint of cinnamon. Oh, it smells so good. The next one that I got was Farmhouse Pumpkin and Spice. I've never had this one either, but I really like the packaging on this, the kind of minimalistic fall packaging. And I just thought this would be, you know, the quintessential scent for the fall. The fragrance notes are Heirloom Pumpkin, Patchouli, and Fall Spices. So I'm hoping this is kind of a spicier, more seductive take on a traditional pumpkin scent. Finally, my last soap that I got was Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. I always get this one like every year. It just smells so good, just a very classic fall scent. The fragrance notes are Harvest Pumpkin, Spiced Clove, and Sugar Cane. I thought it was kind of interesting now because this is new on the back of the Bath & Body Works soaps, and it says now that they're made without sulfates, parabens, and dyes. So that's good to know. Maybe these these fragrances are getting a little cleaner and better for you, but I've never seen that before on the soaps until now. So I thought, you know, it was kind of worth bringing up if you you know, don't like Bath & Body Works because of a lot of the chemicals in the soaps and whatnot, but maybe they're getting a little bit more clean beauty. I got a shower gel as my free birthday item, and I got it in the scent Leaves. Of course, we had to get Leaves to have the full fall theme. I also had a coupon for a free item up to, I think, $9.95 value, so I got a mini shower gel into the night. I have some trips coming up in the fall, and I just love taking these mini shower gels with me. I also had a coupon for like this hand sanitizer being cheaper than it was. I forget the price. I know that is so vague. But I got the Lavender and Vanilla Aromatherapy scent. I've never had this like little spray-on one, but I thought it would be nice to kind of leave in my gym bag and just use it for like going to the gym. I also had a free coupon for a little hand lotion, and I got the Breathe Deep Eucalyptus and Lavender Shea Butter Hand Cream. I don't really use Bath & Body Works hand creams. That's the one thing. They kind of irritate my skin. My hands are always like really dry and really sensitive. So as you guys may know, I recently got engaged and I'm getting married next year. So one of the things that I'm going to do at my bridal shower is give away like baskets for people that win the games. So I thought, you know, this could be something to put in like a self-care basket or something like that. So I'm probably going to save this for my bridal shower, and it was nice that I got this for free because, as you know, if you've ever planned a wedding, it is very expensive. I also wanted to mention 2 more items. I didn't pick them up in this Bath & Body Works run, but Nick, my fiance, bought these for me for my birthday, and they are fall items from Bath & Body Works. So I got the pumpkin apple candle. I love this one. This smells like a spiced cinnamon warm apple baking in the oven. I love this scent. I've had it many times before. And the fragrance notes are red delicious apple, fall pumpkin, fresh ground cinnamon, clove buds with the natural essential oils. And then of course he had to get me leaves because, like I said, this is my favorite scent. And I love the packaging. It's very like rustic and elegant. Oh my god, it smells so good. I like need to burn this now. And yes, I already read you guys the notes earlier, so I don't need to do that again. But anyway, that was my Bath & Body Works fall haul. Cheers to fall and our pumpkin spice beverages. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like fall content. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.